Hey guys, Boniface Ogunti here. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Every single week I post videos just like this teaching you about money, wealth, and happiness. So make sure you subscribe to my channel right now and leave a comment down below. What are your thoughts about money? So number one, money, it's a game. You see guys, money is a game. Just like sports is a game, it's the same with how money is a game. The more you play the game, the better you become at the game. Let me give you a scenario. Michael Jordan is one of the best basketball players out there. I know people say, oh, Stephen Curry might be the best, LeBron James might be the best, but let's give Michael Jordan's story for an example, right? So Michael, he shoot over 1,000 jump shots a day, probably even more. Guess what? That's why he's the best. The same thing with money. The more you practice on making more money, the more money you make. The more you practice shooting your jump shot, the better your jump shot become. And that's how money is. So keep practicing and keep learning new ways to make money, and you will make money. Now, number two, don't be a hater of money. Like literally, don't be a hater of money. I see so many people that want to make money, but they have a negative association with money. They see people who are money, they think they're scam. Right? They think they're a scam, and that's the wrong way to think. Because if you think somebody, because they have money, they have a tax break or they're a scam, you're never gonna attract that money in your life because there's so much information someone can provide to you. So you can't have a negative association to money. Don't be a hater of money. So then number three, you always have to double your money. It's about the double game. The more money you make, you have to figure out how you can double it. Because if you're not doubling your money, guess what? You're going to be spending it on doing something else. And you're going to be wasting your money. So you have to figure out how you can double that money that you're gaining. Then we got number four, seduce money. Literally, money loves people who seduce it. If you love money, if you care about money, money's going to care about you. It's just like if you go on a date, right? Let's say you meet a girl at a nightclub. And the first night, guess what? And you smash or you have sexual intercourse with that girl. Guess what? That girl's not going to respect you that much. And that's the same thing with money. If you gain money and the first time you have it, you just spent it, money's just going to go out your hands and they're going to be spent on doing something random. Okay? So you want to make sure you seduce money. The fifth one, timing. Timing, it's everything, guys, when it comes to money. You have to be in the right place at the right time. But most important, you have to pay attention. My mentor used to tell me, Boniface, pay attention. There's so much money out here right in your face, but you're not paying attention. And that's how a lot of people are. They're just not paying attention. So you want to make sure you're in the right place at the right time. The time is now. Right now, you can be able to attract money. If you're watching this video on YouTube, wherever, right? You're in the best time because this is the internet age. You can go on YouTube, just watching video just like this and figure out how to make some money. So timing is everything when it comes to money. So number six, boredom. You can't keep money bored. If you just have it sitting in your bank account and it's bored, it's not going to be able to create more. You have to keep that money flowing. If you're just saving it, it's going to be spent on something random. If you don't want to keep your money bored, make sure you spend your money on learning new information, because the more information you gather, the more money you make, and your money is not being bored. So now we got number seven. This is crucial right here, and this is a hard lesson I had to learn. You have to have a secret account. And I'm not talking about an emergency account. I'm not talking about something you just stash. I'm talking about an account that nobody's know about, because you don't know what's gonna happen. I'm not talking about an emergency account, because we all have emergency accounts, right? I'm talking about something that nobody in your friends, your families, anybody know about but you. You have to have that secret account, because there's stuff that's gonna happen in your life. There's stuff that's gonna happen in your life. Your emergency account, if your girlfriend, your boyfriend sees that money, they will spend it on something else. But that secret account that you have secret to yourself is something that can save you in the future. Now we got number eight. Don't fly first class. Like literally, don't fly first class. And this is crucial. I see so many people that make a sale and they want to live this luxury lifestyle. That's the wrong way to think about money, because if you're flying first class and your plane ticket costs $1,000 and you fly first class once a month, let's say twice a month, you fly first class and you spend $1,000, that's $2,000. That's $2,000. That $2,000 that you just paid for first class on, guess what? You could have been spending that money on a new employee. And that's what people get wrong about money. They make some money and they blow it. You want to make sure you don't fly first class because you can hire more employees. So now let's go to number 9. Number 9, the 80-20 rule. 80% of your activity will account for 20% of your result. Everything you do daily is what's gonna make you get more money coming in. So you wanna make sure you follow the 80-20 principle. I mean, one of my mentors, his name is Andrew Cardigan, right? I was listening to one of his books. He was talking about how it's 80% of your thinking and 20% of your action. You see, a lot of people get this wrong. They think it's 80% action and 20% thinking. It's not that. It's actually 80% of your thinking and 20% of your action, because successful people don't work hard. They think about what they're doing, and when they process it and they think about it, then they put it through their action. So now we got number 10. Money equals time. You see, a lot of people, they have jobs. They sell their time. They sell their time for money. So if you can gather more money, you can be able to buy other people time. So you want to make sure you remember that one. Now, number 11, the stay poor, be rich rule. Like literally, when you're attracting money in your life, you want to stay poor. You don't have to look flashy right away. You see, when I was becoming an entrepreneur, my first 5 years, I made a lot of money, right? I made a lot of money, but I didn't buy any fancy car for my first 5 years. People didn't even believe I had a lot of money because I didn't look like it. So when you're trying to become rich, you have to understand that you have to stay poor, but you have to be rich. The apology rule. Money don't care about your apology. Money don't care. If you spend that money, money don't care. Money don't care. So you want to make sure you be accountable of your money, because if you're not accountable of your money, it's just going to fly throughout your hands. Number 13, the left hand rule. You see, when you're at a business conference, right? You always want to make sure you're going to meet new people, first of all. And you want to make sure you have your drink in your left hand, not your right hand, because people will always remember how you made them feel. So you want to make sure you have your drink in your left hand, not your right hand, because let's say you have your drink in your right hand, how are you going to shake people's hand like this? If you shake people's hand like this, they're not going to respect you that well, and they're going to look at you like you're a doofus, right? So you want to make sure you have your drink in your left hand and shake with your right hand. So now we got number 14. Mindset rules. Money is all about mindset. Literally, the better your mindset is, the more money you will attract in your life. Because I always tell one of my clients, like, there's no difference between a bad neighborhood and a poor neighborhood. The only difference is the information they have. You see, but it's all about your mindset. It's all about the mindset. What you think becomes what you attract. If you think about money all the time, you will attract it in your life. Number 15, the thinking big rule. You see, money is all about thinking big, because there's a lot of people, the reason why they don't have the money in their life is because they think small. They think small. That's why they don't attract that significant amount of money they want to make. If your goal is to make $10,000 a month, I want you to up that goal to $20,000. If your goal is to make $20,000 a month, I want you to up that goal to $50,000, because the bigger you think, the more money you will attract. Even if you don't hit your goal, you will become closer to that goal, and you will attract more in your life than most people can even fathom. You have to make sure you think big. So guys, that's it for this video, right? I always do these videos going over how money works and all of that, and lifestyle and wealth. And I'm basically, like and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about money and you want to learn more of my lifestyle and what I do. So click down below, leave me a comment. What's your thoughts about money? I'll see you guys in the next video.